Mr. Postman has been. He's brought me a Tegiwa. So being Welsh, I pronounce everything phonetically. That is Tegiwa to me. Either way, let's unbox the new toy. It's not a toy really. It is a rather girthy oil catch tank. It's pretty Gucci actually. It's got your filter in the top and a bracket, a couple of AN fittings and some blanks, and then that mesh stuff at the bottom and a drain. So that's going to go on the car. I know where. And there's a reason I bought one that was like compact-ish, because I don't have much room. Anyway, let's go and let's go see. Let's go see. Oh, spoilers. Wait a minute. Oh, somebody didn't open the bonnet. There. Oh my god, V8. Oh. Guess what? I don't actually think it's going to fit. Let's put you there. Nope. Needs to go in that holy moly. Ah, like a glove. I mean, I was hoping for more room, because there's a turbo under there. Oh well. Might have to find another place to put that.